Guys, listen. I used to lose money trying every strategy out there. Then simply I built my own, tested it for years, and now I trade with confidence in any market. So yeah, please don't lose money with stupid decisions. Please test the strategy, backtest it, try it on demo account, and perhaps at the end you will adapt it to your style. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.